Hi bebs! This is Gracie Anya. Welcome back to my channel. So today, rainy season na. Ito yung mga panahon na masarap matulog, humilata, kumain ng sopas, ng champurado na may tuyo. Itong season din na to na yung kakaroon ng problem yung skin natin, mostly yung lips, nagiging dry. Gaya ng nangyayari sa lips ko ngayon, dry. I'm gonna share with you my lip care routine. Plus, meron pang DIY lip scrub. Keep on watching. Before I start any routine, I always wear my turban first, so my hair will keep in place and will not go to my face. And to start my lip care routine, I always brush my teeth. Then after brushing my teeth and remove all the toothpaste, I brush my lips by using the toothbrush I use in a circular motion by around 15 to 20 seconds. Then I apply my favorite lip mask, which is the Laneige Sleeping Lip Mask before going to bed. If you find extra time, you can do your lip scrub. Here's the ingredients: brown sugar, honey, any container, and spoon. I use 2 1/3 spoon of brown sugar here, or you can use any spoon available. I just use this kasi it's so cutie. Then pour some honey. Did you know that honey can lighten your lips because it has a bleaching ingredient? Mix them all. Then voila! Now you have a lip scrub. I clean my lip first with a cleansing water before I start scrubbing. I do lip scrub whenever I feel that my lips are dry or cracked. Exfoliating regularly keeps your lips moist and retain its moisture longer, helping to prevent cracked lips. And after, I apply lip balm. The one I use here is the Dr. Rescue from Maybeline. Keep on watching. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe. Rockabye.